The 12 sons of Jacob was the father of a tribe. Moses! Oh, it's so good to see you. Thank you for joining us. I'm so sorry I'm late. It's the traffic, you know. It was easier to part the Red Sea than to get through this traffic. Well, that's true, Moses. But I didn't know. Do you have a car? Yes. Well, what kind of car do you have? An animated car. An animated car? Yes. The one you gave me. 1 horsepowers. Moses, when we talk about the power of a car's engine, we use a unit called horsepower. It's not horsepowers. It's singular without the S. Well, can you give me a car with 2 horsepower? Sure, Moses. I don't mind giving you a more powerful car. Thank you. But would you like to sit down? Can I get you anything? Would you like to have something to drink? Oh, no, thank you. I'll just be standing. Actually, my back is killing me. When you do the 2 horsepower car, could you give it heated bucket seats? You want bucket seats? Moses, let's talk about that later. Really, we have a lot of people watching, and we're in the middle of reading a story. These are very special guests, and I'd hate to disappoint them. Oh, I'm sorry. Please go ahead. Thank you. Kids, let's continue reading. And Moses, you may listen along. Now, where were we? Oh, yes. Each of the 12 sons of Jacob was a father of a tribe, and Joseph